Yo, what is up, guys? Serg. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually do a simple high converting funnel for Clickbank products, and so you guys could get started on doing that. So in this video, you guys are basically gonna learn how to create a funnel step by step. How you guys could convert it and see how you guys could do headlines and stuff like that, and how you guys could actually start doing it for any other products. You know, it doesn't matter if it has to do with health, fitness. Doesn't matter if it has to do with home and gardens. Wealth, whatever niche you guys are into. This actually you guys could actually start doing it for whatever niche you guys could you want to do it for. So before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could get notified when I upload my next video. And yeah, and if you guys want to know how you guys can actually get started doing this step by step, like doing affiliate marketing, I do have my affiliate marketing program down below if you guys want to get into that, and so I could help you guys out on your first sale. Yeah, so in this tutorial we're gonna actually use a funnel builder called Clickfunnels. If you guys want a 14 free day trial, the link is down below so you guys can start making sales with this, and you guys can actually get the same exact template that I'm gonna be showing you guys. So alright, what we want to do is actually go to Clickbank and look up a product that you guys want to get into. Right now I'm just gonna pick a product like is the health and fitness niche. It's already open, so I'm just gonna show you guys how you guys can actually start looking into that. But you guys could pick whatever niche you guys could get into. Business, investing, computer, internet, cooking, food and wine, e-business and e-marketing, education, employments, jobs, etc., etc. But today it's gonna be with the health and fitness niche. So I already picked this product right here, BioFit, and they're averaging about $183.09, and that's pretty high. A pretty high product for a health and fitness niche, and a lot of people are actually selling this. So if you guys want to do it the right way, you guys could follow along and promote this exact product. All right. So what we want to see is their landing page. So as you can see here, they have stuff your face and lose some weight. Alright, stuff your face, lose weight. Alright, that's what they have it right there. But as you can see here, right here it says watch this short video to learn how to lose weight fast. That's the hook that we want to do. Alright, how to lose weight fast. That's what you guys want to do right here. Alright, so what we want to do is actually go to Clickfunnels and sign up. If you guys haven't signed up, I will be giving this away for free, because this one is just basically what you guys are gonna put into and stuff like that. But there's a free template for you guys. I include this in my free affiliate marketing program group as well. I give this out for free, and I'm also gonna give it away for free for you guys when you guys sign up with Clickfunnels. So I'll have the link right there where you guys could just get this and sign up with Clickfunnels, and it will automatically import it to you guys' Clickfunnels account. Alright, as you can see here, I do label it for you guys, so you guys could just follow along and just import what you guys want to put. Like right here, I tell you guys to put an image below or in the background. So what I mean is by in the background. So I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually do that. So what you guys want to do is actually just go to generals. Oh no, sorry, backgrounds, and insert an image. So I'm gonna show you guys where you guys could get easy, good images. So I'm gonna go to Pixel. This is where I usually get all my royalty pictures, where you could do for your affiliate marketing programs and stuff like that. So we're just gonna put like let's say we're gonna put something with foods. All right, stuff your face, people eating junk food or whatever. Food. Let me put fast food. I don't like none of these either. I'll put people stuffing their face. Nothing there either. Alright, junk food. Cause it's talking about like foods and stuff like that. We could go for an image like this and just and then download it. Yeah, actually we're gonna go with this image right here. Alright. As you can see, we're just gonna download it. It's already downloaded. So what we're gonna do is actually just go all the way right here and enter it. Alright. Now what we wanna do is actually just upload it and try to find it. Alright, and it should be there. Add image. As you can see, it's actually pretty good, and I'm gonna try to see if I can center more, or if that's full fit center. Alright, let's play around with this to see where it might be nicer to adjust. Top. Nope. Nope. Vertical. Okay. Right there should be fine. I should just to leave it like that. So all you're gonna do is just take this off. Alright. Take this off. Also take this off. Alright. And then what you guys wanna do is actually just easily just tell them what the product is going to be about. Like, alright, so what we're gonna put is actually like this could also be if you guys are giving something away for free. You know, let's say you guys want to give something away for free, like a free dieting book, or a free exercise book guide, or like a checklist, or whatever you guys are thinking of. You guys could give something away for free to increase your odds on converting them as an email to getting their email at least. So you guys could actually start doing that. But for right now, we're not gonna give something away for free. But you guys could, you know, I'll give you guys examples. If you guys want me to do another tutorial on that, what to give away for free, let me know down in the comments. But in this video, I'm just gonna show you guys how you guys can actually just start putting them, and start how you guys can actually just easily copy and paste and doing everything like that. As you can see here, right here, we could just copy this exact template. Well, not exact way, but just copy the way it is. You know, how to lose weight fast. So what you guys want to do is actually go back to right here and type in. Alright, type in how. I'll put in capital letters. How to lose weight fast. How to lose weight in 21 days. Alright, how to lose weight in 21 days. Alright, that's a good one right there. Alright, keep it like that. I think I'm gonna do it black so it could stand out a little bit more. So let me go to text colors. What's that? Alright, right here, text colors. Let me see. Nah, I'm just gonna do it white. Okay, yeah, white. I thought it would stand out more, but it didn't. Alright, or actually what we could do is actually do this like this. Alright, an image in the background, no, but we want to make it a bulgy color, so do it like this, black, but I'm gonna do it transparent so we can actually see the background of it. So yeah, that's actually perfect right there. Alright, what we want to do, and then right here you could actually just copy the exact same thing without giving up any of your favorite foods. So you could just literally just copy and paste this right here. Like literally just copy and paste and just put it right here. Alright, just put it at a sub headline, stuff like that, so you guys could, you know, and there, without giving alright, without giving away your favorite foods and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put this a little bit closer. So what we want to do is actually go to settings and top margins and just put it all the way to 0. Yeah, that's fine right there. Yeah, and then that's it. Just call to actions. So click here to get access and stuff like that. And I do put your thank you page, but that's just because you guys are giving away a free gift. But right here, you guys could easily just put your link. So what we want to do is actually just go right here and go click here to get access. All right, that's what we want to do. To get access, and that's it. And then put your affiliate link. So take this off, and all you gotta do is put your affiliate link, and that's it. All right, so what we want to do is actually go back to Clickbank. All right, where's the product, promote, and you guys will actually get your affiliate link right here. So sorry, it's taking a little while right now. I have no idea why. Alright, and then just put your nickname. Alright, and then you guys could just get your, if you guys don't know what your nickname is, it's basically your account, your username and stuff like that. So yeah, you guys usually will sign up and stuff like that to get your nickname already established here, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna do it right here and enter the link. Go to set action, and then go to alright, this is actually kind of difficult. So you guys could for sure know how to get an email. So right here, you guys are actually gonna have this submit this page. So the action is gonna be submit order or submit form and stuff like that, so you guys can actually collect the email. So go all the way to generals, and right here where it says on submit go, put your affiliate link there. That's where your affiliate link is gonna be, so you guys can actually know how to get your get the email and stuff like that, so you guys don't have to worry about that. And all you guys gotta do is actually just save. Alright, and that's it. I'm not gonna save this for you guys because I'm telling you, I'm gonna give you guys a template and stuff like that, so you guys could do that. But the way it looks right here, it looks pretty nice, it looks legit, looks like, you know, people could do this. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. You know, next is to set up your email autoresponder and stuff like that, so you guys could get started with that. So you guys, because you know, to make a successful affiliate marketing business, you guys actually have to make you have to actually follow up with them, and so that you guys could start earning money in the back end as well and stuff like that. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys want this template, like I said, you guys could go down below and sign up for the Clickfunnels product and just copy the exact same thing I just did right here, so you guys could know how to do it and stuff like that. As you can see, this is actually pretty good to get started, and that's pretty much it. So the next thing is to set up your email autoresponder, so you guys can know how to do it the right way and stuff like that. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell, so you guys can get notified when I upload my next video. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.